We spent the past few slides discussing various regions of the brain, and I mentioned that if you had any damage to the brain, it would lead to various effects on your emotional state and your behavioral state. So how do we actually examine such damage? How can we look into the brain and see its functioning? Fortunately, over the past 50 years, science has led to a lot of advances in techniques to look inwards into the brain. These techniques include the EEG, electroencephalograph, which are little kind of electrodes that we put into various parts of the brain and head and other parts of the body, which yield these scans, these lines that we see in the hospital scans. We have an MRI, magnetic resonance imaging technique. These are also very sophisticated machinery, and now we have something called the fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging, a more advanced method of looking into the brain. We have CAT scans as well as PET scans. Each one of these techniques has a different methodology of looking at features of the brain, and if necessary, they can all be taken together to give us a full picture as to what is happening in the brain. We know that we are only at the beginning of this work, and there's way more to go in terms of being able to see on the insides of how the brain functions. But for where we are and what our purpose is for this exam, knowing these few imaging techniques should suffice.